I bought this car on a whim last summer because it was a good price, but the paint was in really rough condition, and it's only gotten worse since. I'd really like to make it look better, but a new paint job would cost over $10,000, and that would only raise the value of the car by $2,000, which is not a good investment. But that wasn't my idea when I bought this. Since most of these panels are removable and replaceable, I thought that I could buy nice factory painted parts and replace these. So we went on a 2,000-mile journey a few months ago. I told you that it was a vacation.
It was a trick.
But I got most of the parts that I need to make this look a lot better. So I'm really excited about that. Camera girl won't even drive it like this because of her vanity.
I'm embarrassed.
I don't mean to ridicule you. You go out with me when I look like this.
That's true.
Isn't this what I wore to our wedding? So today we're going to get started on this. The first part that I want to replace is the passenger front fender. I'm focusing here because this door is the only part on the entire car that still has nice factory paint. So if I put the new fender here, and it's obviously a different color, that means all of the parts that I have stashed in the garage were a waste of $3,000. That's also a bad investment.
I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think they're gonna match.
Well, before you get too excited, let's see. Before I take off the fender, I need to remove the front bumper. A really handy thing about this type of Corvette is that there are great resources on the internet about how to do almost anything.
Ooh, are you bleeding yet?
I think we're getting somewhere. What do you think the chances are that there's some severe damage under here?
I don't think there's damage under it.
All right. Pretty good. It doesn't look like it's been in a crash. I couldn't find a tutorial on the internet about how to remove the fender, so I'll break into my new one and see if I can tell where the mounting points are and work backwards from there. I haven't opened this box since we got home. Hopefully they're not in 20 different pieces. There it is. That's the one we need too, isn't it?
I think so. Careful there. Nice.
Wow. This is nice paint. I forgot what nice paint looks like. Oh! Look at that corner. I think I'll still run it. I wonder if it was like that when we bought it.
We don't really have another... We don't have any more fenders.
It's better than that. It'll be right here.
Oh.
So I've got an idea of where the mounting points are. I think I can take off these screws on top and then catch the ones on the bottom. All right, and I think there's just one more screw back here, which is this one. That's a tough one to get. I have to come in from the back, but look how much I have this flexed out just to remove the screw. I got in a fight with some Ninja Turtles last night.
Success?
I think so. Wait a minute.
Ooh.
See where my hand is there? So they should come off now. Looking better all the time, isn't it?
So is that where it mounted?
Yeah, I had to reach all the way back here. I don't think there was any other way. I could remove some of this wheelhouse maybe and get at it from here. I think somebody drove this thing through a mud bog. Okay, is this the third time we've tried?
I think so.
Right here. That looks pretty good. Okay, I'll get a screw started here in front and then line up the back side of the fender. Right there.
Are your hands clean?
That really sticks out.
Actually, I don't think it's that noticeable.
Well, maybe with this all put back together, it will help too.
You're running out of daylight.
Yes. That's the last top one.
I can't see your head.
I can't see what I'm doing. I want to get this on tonight though, because I'll forget where all the nuts and bolts go. Almost done. Almost done. World's longest bolt. Almost. Oh, there. It's tight. Time. Fender's installed. Let's get a quick look at it for the night.
I feel pleased about this.
It looks all right.
It does. Your panel gaps are pretty nice too.
Thank you for that. So I think it's time to go in for the night. But the real test is how this looks in the morning. Let's bring it into the light. Alright, camera girl. I'm not even going to look at the fender yet. But based on what you see, should we continue this project?
Yes, I think it looks really good.
That works. What were you saying earlier?
I said I didn't think it was a good idea. In fact, I complained a lot on our trip about how it wasn't a good idea.
Alright, well, there's still time for it to turn into a terrible idea.
Don't be like that.
And I'm sure you're going to complain some more.
I will.
Next video, we'll replace the other fender and the hood. Hopefully they don't have any clipped wings like the Fender.
When are we going to do the KDX?
Next Corvette video, we'll do that stuff. Next Friday, I'll get something out on the KDX. If everything works out. I know you guys have been asking for that. Thanks for watching.